Africa, we made it.
Where you guys came from, sir?
We just come from Australia today.
Oh.
We've only been here 2 hours.
Oh.
We're going up the Signal Hill to paraglide down.
Yeah, it doesn't look like they need much of a run today.
Darling, what do you think?
This looks incredible. They've got the chute up for someone. They're about to take off. Oh. They don't even have to.
Yeah, they don't even have to run. That's it. He's up.
They're up.
Kathleen's going with Freaky. That's Freaky there. These are the chutes before they open it. So this is what the reserve people do, darling.
And what do you do, Kim? What do you do with
We went paragliding. It was sensational, wasn't it?
it? Was very, very impressive.
Here's some of the sights as we walk back to the hotel. The largest glasses in the world. Here we are at the waterfront, the Radisson Hotel. It's quite nice. It's got a lovely looking pier. After the walk, we're back to the hotel. Check this out. The fruit, these do a great job here, don't they? Yeah, I know. But chicken salads, bread. Oh, and all the hot food. Wow. That's dinner. Okay, here we are, the breakfast room. It's just beautiful. Wait, you see the food. This is unreal. Good selection of eggs, hot food, fruit, and cereals. Just beautiful. So we've been on some lovely coastal roads all around the world. Even in Canada, was it Great Britain?
I was on Cape Breton Island.
Cape Breton Island, and it's claimed it's one of the most scenic drives in the world.
This Chapman's Peak Drive is spectacular. So we've driven up from Cape Town City along the coast, gone past Camps Bay, and we're looking at Hoot Bay, and just over there's the Sentinel. But yeah, it's just spectacular, and we're about to go further along Chapman's Peak Drive.
Yeah, Kathleen's right. This smashes some of the most scenic drives we've been on. It's just beautiful and so underrated.
Yeah, it's spectacular.
And the great thing about it is it's overcast, so it provides that atmosphere. Mind the hole, darling.
Mind the hole.
Mind the hole.
Whatever you do, don't fall in there. Oh, this is just beautiful.
Is this just beautiful?
This is really gorgeous. Wow.
The colours are just sensational, aren't they?
Aren't they what?
So, darling, what do you want? Kathleen goes, I don't want anything. She always does that. When we get back, she says, oh, you got 2 things. No, I didn't get any.
If I see something, I know now. Don't worry.
Come inside. So we weren't going to buy anything.
I know, we've got two things on there.
We got two things. I wasn't going to buy anything, but we're only buying it because he's a very good-looking man. If he wasn't so good-looking, I wouldn't buy anything. But it's
Okay. Cathedral. What? St. George's Mall. St. George's Cathedral. Okay? Anyone heard of Bishop Desmond Tutu?
yes.
Okay, he was the Anglican Archbishop of South Africa. That was his cathedral. Okay, so you're welcome to go in there if you want to, just to walk around, have a look inside. You can put a little small donation in the kitty box if you want to. You don't have to. I think it's quite nice. Go and have a look. There's all good pipes and stained glass windows and the Black Madonna. 10 minutes in there's enough. But whilst we're here, you see this piece of concrete? Part of the Berlin Wall. Okay. So, you know, the Berlin Wall came down in the end of 89, 90. Nelson Mandela was released in 1990. So just in solidarity to freedom, or, you know, away from oppressiveness and all that solidarity, so they donated this piece of the Berlin Wall to Cape Town. Just a little bit of interest there. That's number 214. Just a replica of the memorial that is in Belgium.
I don't have any. Oh my god.
This is the V&A waterfront, Monday afternoon, 3:30, and there's nobody around. It's very much a quiet town at the moment. I suppose it's winter. This is just stunning, isn't it? So we're walking down to the waterfront and we've come across this gemstone shop. And it looks just stunning. Actually quality stuff. You reckon? Okay, we can start at this end, darling. We can start at this end.
Okay, so
Yes.
that's Albert Loeffler. He was awarded the Peace Prize in 1960. Then you've got Desmond Tutu,
Desmond Tutu.
who was awarded the Peace Prize in 1984.
Yep.
Then you've got F.W. de Klerk, who was awarded the Peace Prize in 1993. And Nelson Mandela awarded the Peace Prize in 1993.
And Nelson Mandela. Wow, that's amazing. 4 gentlemen that all received the Peace Prize. Well, and the music is just sensational. Really is. Look at these guys, they're just amazing. We'll come back. Very good, aren't they? It's actually a really nice area, isn't it? Oh, there's more dancers down here. This is so cool, isn't it? Hearing the African music being sung everywhere you go is just fantastic.
Yes.
So, if you like this video, what do?
Give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Just here.
Where are we?
We're outside the Musée l'Orangerie at the Jardin des Tuileries, the Garden of Tuileries in Paris. Isn't it just stunning?
It's just beautiful. Isn't this just phenomenal? This is so good.